What does a basketball, frisbee, a cannonball, and a rocket all have in common? Physics. Physics is the science concerning the nature and properties of matter and energy. An essential branch of physics is known as kinematics. Each equation can teach us how and where each of the projectiles are going to move in space. Let's see a ball in motion. The space that the ball covers is its position. The speed at which the ball covers distance is its velocity. The rate at which the velocity changes is the ball's acceleration, which is hard to observe in this example. Now time to derive the equations of kinematics. We can start off with the definition for acceleration. Since time always goes forward, the initial amount of time at the beginning is 0. This allows us to manipulate the equation to look like v final is equal to v initial plus at. Now we can move on to the definition for velocity, which is change of position over time. It is also equal to the final velocity plus initial velocity divided by 2. Again, we manipulate the equation so that t initial is equal to 0, allowing us to get this answer. We get this equation, p final minus p initial is equal to v final plus v initial over 2 times t. Then we can use the equation that we derived earlier and plug it in to v final. With a little bit of manipulation, we can get the final equation, or the second kinematic equation. Using the second and first equations, we can derive the third equation for kinematics. We can manipulate the original equation to get time is equal to velocity final minus velocity initial over acceleration. Then we plug that result into the second equation to get our third equation, which is velocity final squared is equal to velocity initial squared plus 2 times acceleration times change in position. The 3 equations for kinematics, and these help dictate the laws of projectile motion. Who knows what we'll be able to create with them one day.